Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Power 3S, and today I'll show you how to move or copy your files from the phone to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, we will need to open up the File Manager app, which is right over here. Tap on it, and if it prompts you to allow access to all the photos, medias and stuff like that, tap on Allow, and then it will show us the two different storages. So we have the internal storage, which is the storage of the device, and also the SD card. And from here, number one, we need to find where our files are located at. So I believe the photos that I will use as an example are on the internal storage. I'm gonna quickly check. And that's empty. And that's empty, so it looks like they're gonna be on the SD card in this case. And there they are. Okay, so going back to the internal storage, because it has just more folders at the moment, you have different folders, as you can see. So DCIM will contain any kind of photos and videos that you have captured with the device itself. Pictures below, right here, will contain screenshots that you have captured on the device. Then music, movies, podcasts, ringtones, all those stuff will usually contain items that you have placed there yourself. The device rarely saves anything there. And also the downloads folder will contain anything that you have downloaded using a web browser or email. It all gets saved right here. So simply find whatever it is that you're looking for, and I'm gonna go to my files, which are right here. And there is two ways you can choose to select them. If you, for instance, want all of them, you can either select all of them by holding one and then tapping on additional ones like so, or by simply going back one place. And as you can see, there is the camera folder with the 4 photos inside, so you can just simply select the entire folder. Now whichever way you do it, it doesn't really matter. It's just more of a organization kind of thing. And once it's selected, you have the two options of cut or copy. Choose whichever one suits you better. Remember that if you cut it from here, the files will be removed from where they are right now and moved to a new location, while copy will just create additional sets of them. I'm gonna go with cut, and from here you can see that the folder is grayed out in a way. And now we want to go back to the place that we wish to move these files. So because they originated for me on the SD card, as an example, I'm gonna go back to the phone. And just to keep it organized, I'm gonna go to that DCIM folder where the device would normally save those pictures. And as you can see, the camera folder right here is empty. So once I'm in here, I'm gonna tap, where is it? Oh, it's right here. So the clipboard icon, that's the paste. So let's tap on it, and you can see that it created a second folder called camera 0, and that's where the files are. Now it doesn't actually put them in here or remove the folder or substitute it. It just creates, changes the name a little bit by adding a number to the folder that you're moving, if it has the same kind of folder in here. And that is how you would move any kind of file. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.